Today is 4th February. It is observed as World Cancer Day. On this occasion, from Bengaluru City Police, we welcome 4 of our young friends to this traffic management center, wherein they have been shown the newly opened, newly inaugurated traffic museum and also the experience center. They have seen what and how the traffic police functions, how we try to save lives on the roads. Just as cancer is a disease to the body, crime is also a disease to the society, like cancer only. So the police department fights a daily battle to take out this cancer from the society. We welcome our young friends for this occasion. This is our ongoing program of police officer for a day, and earlier also we had conducted these programs in the various divisional offices. Today we are conducting it in the Traffic Management Center on the occasion of World Cancer Day. I welcome all my young friends here who have been given the title of a police officer for the day. They have also seen the Traffic Management Center, how it functions and how it works. It is their dream fulfilled today that they are wearing or donning the police uniform.